we'll talk about the 2.17 change element color and style using the inline style. Before we go to this, when we test 2.16 change color and style for arrow, we actually left the kind of the finding that using the shorter form, there's some errors popping up. So after the last video I did some further investigation. I actually is almost going to raise question to the forum, but finally it's during the testing, it looks like I think we missed something. So here I have combined these two lines. You can see, so first line from this person to bar 2. So now you can see both these two lines are displayed correctly. This blue one is the short form. And when we have the, let's also test on the third one. So if you have this complete form, then it's if you remove the line and with the comma, it's still correct. I think it's when last time it's pop up error is because it's we talk green directly. So we should put this green also after the pound. So if you put that on pound, they will treat that as the line, but you can just save the typing with this line column. So then that is the correct thing. So either this way is working. So I just wanted to give you some update on this, because this kind of the setting are also available for 2.7. So now let's do this testing for 2.7. Then we can keep verifying what's these meanings. So star UML and the UML. So this one, the title will be change element color and the style. So what we will do is for this one, we just need to create an element. So element means we have an actor, we have a use case. So we can use the keywords actor A and actor B, use case C, use case D. So now we have these 4 parts. So then this A is just the default, and B will be changing something. So let's do this A as the standard one. So like this, we have the pound, we have the color, we have this column, and we make that red with. Until now is arrow, but if you have this semicolon, so let's see. So what this means is still not correct. So for this, let's remove this color without this semicolon. So now it's working. But if you have the color, there's no such kind of the syntax. So syntax error. So you should not, for element, you should not have the color inside. And then that is the color. But if we want to change line, so line color. So this is the head, right? So only in the header. So secondly is we can put that is the pink. And you should finish that. Then that will be, let me see, so if I pink with this one, what's the error? Line 4. Line 4 we have an error. So from string, some diagram description contains error, but I think it's there's no error, I believe. I should not have that finished semicolon. So pink. Before you have the second setting, you should not have this semicolon, because when you add that, you get error. And you should not have the space. We tested that like this. If we see like that, I think is we keep get error. But if you remove this space, then this connected as the configuration now is red. And we can keep put this because line color now is a line style. So we put this bold. Now it's bold. And the text red. In the last one, you should not have the this closing one. So pink. Now we can have finished that line blue. See the blue line. Let's see. Besides bold, do we have is dotted? Let's have a dotted actor. Good. And text orange. Do you have the orange color? Yes. Now let's go to the use case. So then starting same is you should not have this color, but you can have this purple. And the line is yellow. And line bold. Maybe we see here is blue. Then you can see clearly. And then text yellow. Then that's will be. Do we have a text style bold? No, so that is not working. So we leave this D as the default one. So, and you can also have an Alice blue, right? So let me see, what's the Alice blue? Oh, that is very light blue. So I think it's you may no need to remember or memorize those settings. So the syntax, you can keep this 2.17 and 2.16 last one as your online reference because we have tried put is many type of the samples so that you can use this as the live reference. When you draw some the use case diagram and want to polish that with those color or style and try to distinguish something which is different between we apply those settings to the line or to the arrow compared to the element. So looks like it's slightly difference is here if I put this color before the real color name, then that's get is the issue. But if I put is, can I put the color code? So that is also work. So you can remember the name, or you can just check from any online the color plates to get those color code. So which is RGB. So that is very diverse for you to do that. And I also suggest you check these two Q&A sections to understand this some background for this 2.17 when the forum is answered the query from the those users. In short, is you can change color style of individual element using the following node. But I'm not sure is whether this can be applied to rectangle. So rectangle test. If I put is actor A, E, so within that is we have our actor, but if after this one, shall I have our FFCCCC, so it is applied to the rectangle, so that is also, so that is you can keep expand the usage and the testing is looks like it's as long as you put is those kind of the style or color setting to our name of the element, then you can apply those. So this sample, I hope to give you some the extension of understanding how to change color and style. So see you in the next one. Next one will be the last one to the use case diagram, the number 18. We will see how we can display our JSON data on use case diagram. So this just like is some additional the expanded usage of diagram for easier represent certain more information. See you then. Bye.